Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name's Hera and I make videos about fashion, luxury, lifestyle, shopping, food, all of that. So if you're into that sort of thing, then don't forget to subscribe. Today's video is going to be a little fall haul because your girl has been bad. Anytime the season changes from summer to fall, I go a little insane. So I wanted to show you guys some of the pieces I've picked up, some accessories, shoes, clothing, and then a little bag at the end. I'm obsessed with it and I know you guys will be too. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with clothes. I moved from New York City to Texas, for those of you that don't know. So my wardrobe has had to change because it used to be Brick City in New York, and in Texas, it's probably not gonna get cold till December, but it's gonna be beautiful starting like the end of October. So the first thing I picked up were these jeans from Margiela. So I'm gonna be inserting some footage also, I think right here, depending on how the editing works out, of how to style these things, but I am obsessed with these. This is like, if you know, you know. So these are these Margiela jeans. They have this like really edgy cutout detail. And this like, I guess I would say medium to light wash. And it's, okay, so let's back up. I do not spend money on clothes, especially designer stuff, unless I'm going to wear the absolute shit out of it. I tried to find dupes for these jeans for such a long time. I know Pretty Little Thing did one. The quality really wasn't doing it for me, so I took a pair of Zara jeans that fit me really well and I cut slits into them. And while I like it, I knew that these could not be replaced. So I ordered a pair off, was it Farfetch? I ordered a pair off of Farfetch and I am obsessed. I'm going to have these for the rest of my life. They're high-waisted and they're really long. So if you are more petite, then you will have to get them tailored. But I just think they're the perfect edgy jean. They look so good with heels. They look so good with a blazer. I obviously love blazers, so I'm gonna wear it with a blazer. But they're quickly becoming a favorite item in my wardrobe. So let me know what you think. Do you guys think these are worth it or not? But I so far am obsessed with them. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so if you don't live under a rock, then you know, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it plissé or plissé? I don't know. P-L-I-S-S-E. These sets all over Amazon are actually really clutch. I ordered the short set because like I told you guys before, they, it's not gonna get that cold here that soon. But this is like a matching set. And the other day, my husband and I went to the movies and I was like, what do I wear? I didn't feel like wearing athleisure. Like I always, anytime I'm not dressing up, I'm wearing like biker shorts or something. And so I was like, okay, I don't want to wear athleisure. This was perfect. So I'll insert some footage of how this looks, but I'll link it below. Oh, guys, I got approved for Like to Know It. I don't know. I mean, I know I need to have faith in myself, but I don't know what they were thinking when they approved my little ass for Like to Know It. So I made one. I'm not going to be one of those annoying link in bio, gatekeep, you know, kind of people, because I'm not, I do this to share my passion. So I do have a Like to Know It and I do have an Amazon storefront, no pressure. This is just a plissé set from Amazon. If you like it, those links are down there. But again, that's not my vibe. So this is something that I'm obsessed with. I think I wore it with my new Chipray sandals and it looked so good. Like with accessories and stuff, I look like a little bit like, oh, okay, like she dresses like that to the movies. So obsessed, get it. They have other colors, but I'm not gonna get the other colors because I don't like color. So yeah, there's that. So the other thing I got is what I'm wearing. The last haul video I did for you guys, I told you that I started becoming obsessed with Frankie Shop blazers. That's not changing. So they have a blazer called the Boyfriend Blazer, which is half the price of their regular blazer. The other popular blazer that they have is called the Frankie Shop B-E-A blazer, and that's like over $300. I am not gonna spend that much on a blazer. This is half that, and it's just as oversized. This one is the oversized Boyfriend Blazer in Desert Taupe, and I love it. Let me just show you guys. It gives granddad vibes. Like, you know, if you're looking for like the perfect like There's oversized and then there's oversized. This is oversized. And I'm not petite. I'm tall, I'm big, well, you know, relatively. And this is oversized on me. So keep that in mind if you buy one of these. But oh my God, the quality, the cut, the shoulders, all of it, I love it. Again, we'll include a video of how I plan to style this blazer. All right, I think those are all the clothing items. So let's move on to shoes because that's where I did some work. All right, the first pair is this pair of Croc Thigh High. No, I wouldn't say thigh high. I would say they were knee high square toe boots from Saks Fifth Avenue. No, Saks Off Fifth. So Saks Off Fifth has their own brand of shoes that they do. And so these are square toe. I don't know if these are real leather or not. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, so I got these. These are amazing. I love them. I think they can dress up so many different outfits. They tuck into jeans. Like I can tuck jeans into them just fine. Let me grab the other one. And they just elevate. Like even what I'm wearing right now, they would just elevate the bejesus out of it. So these are a good buy if you're looking for a neutral but somewhat visually interesting boot. I don't usually do square toe, but on these, I just thought they looked so chic. Yeah, I love these. So these are one of the shoes that I got for fall. Let me move on to the next one. So you know how I said I moved to Texas? I had to do it with the cowboy boots. It's like a way of life out here. I mean, I feel like cowboy boots have become mainstream for a while now, but if you live in Texas, you gotta have some cowboy boots. So I love the Isabelle Marant. They're called the Denvy, or I mean, it's French, so I imagine it'd be like Denvy boot, but it's expensive. And yeah, I don't want to spend that much money on a cowboy boot. So I was looking for a boot with a perfect shaft height. The Isabelle Marant boots have a 17-inch shaft height, which is perfect for my height. And I just feel like it flatters my legs in the best way possible. So I managed to find, if you guys are familiar with Matisse footwear, they have a sub-brand called Coconuts by Matisse. And so they had this boot, it's called the Agency Western boot. So I bought it in 2 colors. I bought this neutral color. Wow, like I can't even. Love, love, love. I'll try this one on for you guys. This is like a light bone color. I didn't want white because I just felt like white, I think it's dope. I see other people wearing it. It's like daring. It's like, I don't know, it's cool, but I just didn't like the way that it looked on me. So I thought I would get this like somewhat off-white bone color, which is still firmly planted in the safety neutral zone that I like to thrive in. So I got this, and then I got black because obviously black you have to have. So I will show you guys how I styled these, but I got these for 15% off. I'm sure you guys all do this already, so this might be like a basic B tip. Always Google coupon codes. There's always one, okay? I know you guys know Retail Me Not. They always have a coupon code, and with all the influencers and stuff out there, there is always a email sign up, 10 to 15% code, or some random person like did a freaking collab with them like 2 years ago and they didn't deactivate the code. I always find a code, okay? So just spend 5 minutes, find a code. You will save guap that way. So I got these and these. Amazing. Love, love, love. Okay. So those are the boots. So now let's move on to the shoes. So I have a wedding coming up. One of my closest friends is getting married, and I wanted a nice pair of designer heels. I have tried on Amina Muaddi shoes a bunch of times now, and for some reason I just find them to be uncomfortable, and I've been seeing a lot on TikTok about their quality, and I was like, okay, I don't want to get like, I don't know, I just didn't want to get a statement heel for the wedding. I was like, okay, there's a gap. I have a gap in my closet of a classic pump. Enter Prada. So I ordered these from Italist. If you guys are familiar with that website, there's a couple of websites that are get closer to European prices in their pricing, and you end up paying duties, but it still ends up being a lot less than buying it from the Prada website. And so it's Italist is one, Satire is another one, and I get a lot of stuff from there. So these are Prada pumps, very modest heel, which I'm frankly completely fine with because I don't want to, comfort is everything. I do not want to be uncomfortable. And so I got these in black. They just have like the little Prada triangle logo, but I like that the logo was black and white and not the traditional black and silver. So I feel like these are going to be in my wardrobe for a really, really long time. And I feel like that's what I love about shoes, is that your girl's body size changes quite a bit, but my feet have never failed me. So I love these. I cannot wait to style these. They look so good with shorts, and they look so good with dresses, and they look so good with jeans. And I'm kind of imagining them with like slit front pants or like slit front leggings, just to have like the pointy toe peek out. And I love pointed toe pumps, but like if you guys have seen the Balenciaga knife shoes, those are like machete pointed. I just think this is the perfect heel highs and the perfect point. So obsessed, cannot wait to wear these. All right, so guys, those are the shoes. We can move on to the bag. I'm so excited to show you guys this bag. Okay, be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, I did it. I bought another stupid Bottega bag. Okay, so I'm going to I name all my bags. So this bag, her name is Storm, like Halle Berry's character from X-Men. And I will show you why. So I love, 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 love my mini Jodies. I am the queen of carrying as little to possible in my bags, but there are times when I'm running errands and I need a little bit, or if I'm going to a class and I don't want to take a gym bag and I just need like the hairbrush, the deodorant, the tiny makeup bag. And for that, we have meet Storm. Oh, well, she's stuffed right now, so she looks kind of like not slouchy, but this is the slouchiest, cutest bag ever, and I love her. I think I'm gonna do a separate review video on this bag because the small Jody is, oh my God, it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. I had looked into getting the teen Jody, but it doesn't fit over my big ass shoulder, so I didn't get the teen Jody, and I didn't want to get another black or neutral bag. So I was like, okay, what's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but still not so like adventurous that I'm never gonna wear it? Enter the color Thunder. I'll post a little video of it styled because I don't think I'm doing it justice with the slouchiness level. It is very slouchy and casual and effortless, but you guys will see it in the video. And I just think it's perfect for those in-between days where you need to like carry a water bottle, or, you know, you have like a pair of leggings to return and you don't feel like, you know, putting it in its bag. You can just stuff it in your purse. So this is perfect. And again, like I said, I'll do a separate review on this, but I am obsessed with this bag. It is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to rock this all fall. So that is it for my haul today, guys. I hope you liked all the items. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. I am going to do the linking thing, the like to know it, the Amazon, all of it. It'll be down there in the description box. And as always, if you have any requests, hit me up. I am open to them and happy to fulfill. So have a wonderful day and speak to you guys soon. Bye.